The second your transmission starts slipping, that half-second hesitation before it finally grabs, you already know waiting only makes it cost more, and a rebuild turns into a full replacement. So take a breath. Here's where guys get robbed. The dealer wants $4-5 grand for a reman unit and holds your truck a whole week. Mad Dog does it smarter. We rebuild yours stronger than it ever left the factory. Raybestos high-energy clutches, a beast sunshell that holds 3 times stock, shipped free to your door, and VIN-programmed to bolt right in. No dealer, no tune. Family shop, Alpharetta, since 1986, from $17.95, backed by a 1-year unlimited mile warranty. Nobody builds it stronger for less. You got the horsepower, we got the transmission. Check us out at maddogtransmissions.com or give us a call at 770-781-0949.